Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We haven't done this shit in a long time, so show yourself!
Okay, so
retard.
We're gonna be surviving.
We're gonna be...
Okay, because we're gonna be surviving the forest. That's my line. Alright, anyway.
Alright, come on. We're gonna get straight to it, guys. We're not wasting any time like little pussies. I need to stay next to my phone.
Yeah, we're not.
Booty cheeks. Wait, there's one thing that I want to do before we do this, okay?
Yes.
Follow me, follow me. Shit. Piper, there's one thing that I want to do before we do this, okay? Follow me. It gives us a cosmetic.
Oh, we're gonna... Wait, no.
The pineapple, come on.
Yeah, wait. You gotta find the pineapple.
I saw a vid and I saw where it was, but it could change areas.
Okay.
Follow me into the water. Over here. Found it. Over here. Got it. Grab it.
Oh, why is it? Oh.
Look at my head. You have it too.
Where's Tiana going?
Into the garage down here, Nova.
Is she gonna go?
Nova, be quiet. I'm recording.
Oh.
Come on, you poopy lover. You can eat it.
What does it do? Wait, what does it do if you eat it?
I think it makes you more fast or something.
Dude, your voice sounds horrible.
How? Hold on, eat yours. Oh my god! Get the hell out of here!
I'm, your friend.
You're
my friend? Wait, you remember me? Wait. I see how it is, bro.
Yeah, we don't know you. Yeah, we don't know you. And you're gay as shit. Daddy, chill. Bet we needed
You
this.
don't know me, bro.
Gonna go offline. There you go. I'm a banana. Bye?
No, I didn't. No, I went offline because I don't want people joining.
Because we're making...
I forgot about that. You know, videos. On my YouTube or something.
Yeah, we're filming a video right now.
Oh my god, your voice sounds crazy.
So, like, it'd be so kind of you to leave.
After the video, yeah, totally. I'll join you after.
Alright, he left, come on. Alright guys, we're gonna have yeah. But guys, I guess we have to do the rest of the video with her voice sounding like a cracked up chipmunk. Alvin and the Chipmunks. running. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky car. Maybe we'll meet at a club and fall so deeply in love.
The one thing I was missing was a grappler. I'm gonna go get one. Nice, dude.
Yeah, we gotta get some wood. Guys, it's 99 nights inside the forest right now.
I know, it's seriously.
Wait, Piper, to make it more realistic, we can only hold 5 pieces of wood. Yeah, and then, this is 4. And then after, we can also hold them inside our hands. We can also hold them inside our hands, though. But after we kill a mob, we can hold as much as we want. Like upgrades, kind of. Ow, pussy!
So wait, if I kill him, I get to hold as many items?
Yeah. We both killed him.
Okay.
Me and you killed him.
And we can use items from loot boxes. I have a shotgun. We're good, bro.
Alright.
Good. Be good. I just got a big phone. Nice.
Yep.
Oh, hell no. How is that Armstrong walking like that?
Oh, guys, I need to stay near my phone.
Hold up, I need to stay near my phone.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Oh,
Get ready to run, get ready to run, get ready to run.
shit.
Get ready to run.
If we stay by the fire, I think we're safe.
I don't know.
I'm gonna try it.
I don't want to test it, though. Because what if it goes bad? If he comes...
Okay, bro.
If he comes by, then we run, okay?
He's going that way. Yo, I'm actually getting a lot of money.
Yeah, so am I.
Dude. Yeah, chop it down the tree.
Fuck, fuck.
I'm getting like a lot. Dude. It's okay. He freezes if you go at and he'll attack you, but if you stay by the fire,
We're dead, we're dead. Run, run, run. I'm scared, I'm scared.
stay by the fire and we're gonna be okay.
Really?
Okay, bro?
Where the fuck's your flashlight?
You know what? I don't really give a shit. I don't need it. I got a shot, dude. Think I need that bullshit? Oh shit, he's coming back up, bro. Oh shit, man. Oh no.
Have your grappler ready. Bitch.
No. Me. Wait, our voices don't sound weird anymore.
Oh yeah.
I just noticed that. That's crazy. I'm still locked in.
6, 7.
Okay. Actually,
There's a crate box, there's a crate box. There's a crate box and I want to get it.
You gotta get it, bro. We gotta get it.
He's right there.
He's like, I don't think he knows.
Do we run?
No. Oh shit, get it.
He teleported.
Oh shit. Get it.
Fuck, fuck.
He's going Go to Shadow 5, go to Shadow 5.
Turn 5.
Shadow 5.
Well, I get the loot box. I get the loot box. Says you got the last one. Wait, where the fuck is it? Oh, that pussy. Fuck! Revive me. I hate the fucking Armstrong guy. It's so fucking annoying.
Goofy or grappler. Do you know what the grappler is for? They use it.
Just fucking revive me.
Should I?
I'm getting my payback.
I know.
Hey, puto! Chinga tu madre, güey. Chinga tu madre, güey. Chinga tu madre, güey. Chinga tu madre. Chinga tu madre. Chinga tu madre.
Axe in your face.
Let's go. Got a big boy.
Hey, it's kind of good.
Self-destruct! It didn't work, gang. But I'm gonna bring something.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I need to bring something.
What are you gonna bring, dude?
Just a little something to help.
Okay. I don't like it.
Do not touch any of my stuff.
No, I need a loot box. It's ammo. We can use this later. Over is getting awfully close. He's
Run!
coming.
Ah! I didn't die.
How the fuck did he not die?
Whoa! I guess this is how the story goes. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skid in and they froze. I don't want no none but the ice, I'm just cold.
Copyright.
Gooner, goon, and a goon, and my mom.
Wait, what?
It's not copyright anymore.
I guess.
Bro, I'm at 4%. Guys, we gotta wrap this shit up quick. Okay, once we get the fire to max, that's when the video ends, guys.
Clear it up, brothers.
Shit, run!
Right now. You want
Bitch, you want a burger? I'll give you a burger. And you want a french fry? Latinas.
De peanuts only.
Wait. Bro, wait, I'm cutting down this damn tree. Look up, look up. Fuck, he's coming to me, he sees me. Shut up! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come here! Where the fuck did you go? No, stop. And will he let the fire go out? Is this the end of him now? Dying king with the crumbling crown. Will he let the fire go out?
That's crazy, bro.
La, big booties. One with the juicy goodies.
Ooh, chill.
Like Americana. My viewers at 2%. We need to wrap this up quick. Fuck.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
We did it! Okay, guys, I know this video was kind of short, but this is the end of the video. My viewers are about to die. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or Diddy will be inside your bed fucking you vigorously at night, okay? Alright, bye guys, toodles, senpai, Oni-chan, senpai,